Today I'm doing a battery on a Lexus LX570. Let's get going. Before we go ahead, just gotta make sure we connect a backup battery. So it'll be the 2-liter. The Lexus battery is here. Now the cover, I had to take these covers off first. So there's, and we got the battery open. Now the positive is here, negative here. So just test it and make sure we replace like for like. Tools required is a 12 mil. This goes in here. Take it off. And also a 10 mil. 10 mil socket for this. Use a 10 mil socket wrench here. This one here. We took the battery out. So we put like for like. Just make sure. Same size. Cross reference. We put the 70ZZ left hand side with the positive on the right hand side facing towards you. Okay? Positive. Positive. Put the battery in. Put the 12 mil screw back on. Also this one on. Got the battery in. Just do a quick battery test. PCA. This one has 750, so we just put 750 on here. So it's come back with 97%. Result good. 12.59 volt. Full charge. Make sure you got the key. Let's start the car. Look at that. It works. That's good. Charging well. That's the battery done for the LX570.